In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 48-volt 24-volt by 2 electric scooter. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Safety first. Perform a safety check before every ride. Before you ride, take a moment to inspect your scooter. Make sure nothing is loose, broken, or damaged, and confirm that all parts, like the brakes, tires, and throttle, are working properly. We recommend you always wear a helmet when operating your e-scooter, even if local laws do not require it. Make sure your helmet is properly adjusted according to the manufacturer's specifications. Step 1. Installing and removing the batteries. Start by inserting the key into the lock on the deck, and turn it to open the battery compartment door. Inside, you'll see 4 battery slots. The 2 slots closest to the front of the scooter are the active slots. These must both be filled for the scooter to operate. The 2 slots toward the back are storage slots, designed to hold spare batteries. To install, slide each 24-volt battery pack into the active slots, making sure the contacts align properly. Press down until the batteries are fully seated. Once loaded, close the compartment door and turn the key to lock it securely. To remove the batteries, unlock and open the compartment door. Pull up on the release tabs to lift each battery from its slot. Remove both active batteries, along with any stored ones if needed. Close and lock the compartment when finished. Step 2. Connecting to the SMARTg Home app. Start by downloading the SMARTg Home app from your smartphone's app store. Create an account within the app or log into your existing SMARTg account. If it's your first time using the app, a prompt will request Bluetooth access. Accept this request. If you accidentally decline the request, go to your phone settings and enable Bluetooth access specifically for this app. After logging into your SMARTg account, you can now add a new product. This is done by tapping the plus sign or the Add Device button on the app interface. With the scooter nearby and the batteries inserted, the app will automatically begin searching for your product. Once the scooter has been found by the app, you can click it to start the connection process. This is automatic and does not require any other steps. Starting the e-scooter. To power on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The big digital numbers in the middle are your speedometer. The 5-position half circle above the speedometer is your battery charge indicator. Under the speedometer is your drive mode icon. Once on, double-click the power button to shift between modes: E, D, S, and walk assist. Note, it's recommended to have the scooter on mode E for first-time use. Riding the scooter. Hold the handlebar with 2 hands. Place one foot on the footboard and push off with the other to begin moving. Once balanced, place your second foot on the footboard and press the throttle on the right handle to accelerate. For safety, the motor will not engage until the product reaches 1.9 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. To slow down, release the throttle. To brake, gently squeeze the brake lever. Once stopped, you can turn the scooter off by holding the power button for 3 seconds. Walk assist mode. Walk assist mode keeps a steady 1.9 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. Double-click the power button until the walk assist mode is selected. Hold the handlebar with both hands and press the throttle with your thumb. The walk assist symbol appears on the screen, and both the headlight and brake light flash automatically. Release the throttle to disengage walk assist mode. Controlling the headlight. This unit features headlights for safe operation at night and in low light conditions. With the product powered on, press the headlight button to turn the headlights on. Press the button again to turn them off. Transportation and storage. This unit folds easily for convenient storage and transportation. Ensure the scooter is turned off prior to transporting or storing it. Hold the stem, push the safety button down, and unlock the quick release lever. Fold the stem and lock the folding clasp into the carrying buckle located above the rear wheel cover. To unfold the stem, disengage the folding clasp from the carrying buckle. If your unit won't start or you're experiencing any issues, Please refer to your owner's manual for all error codes, including their descriptions and possible solutions. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.